to the IT capital of the country, in specific Bengaluru in Karnataka as well, because India's Silicon Valley, that is, has been reporting a concerning rise in dengue cases in the past few days. The state of Karnataka has now reported over 10,000 cases, prompting officials to jump into action. Now, with cases on the rise, vigilance and community action are crucial to curbing the spread of this mosquito-borne disease, in light of which the Karnataka Health Department issuing helpline numbers for citizens to ensure better patient care, quicker response times, and effective management of dengue cases. My colleague Neha brings us this report from one of the top Bengaluru hospitals to better understand the situation on the ground.
As of today, we have 20 confirmed cases of dengue in adults and one pediatric confirmed case. But most of the cases are mild to moderate, manageable. There's no mortality so far in our hospital. So manageable, I say.
Okay. So now that hospitals have been asked to set aside beds as well, we're seeing in your hospital too that, beds, of course, have been set aside. Are you seeing these beds filling up anytime soon because of, the grave condition right now, over 10,000 cases that have been reported across the state?
First, I'll talk about the hospital. We have reserved 20 emergency beds here in the casualty building. We have 50 additional beds in the inpatient building. And I have not seen any such surge. Probably number of mild cases have increased.
Okay.
I'm not aware of the outside hospital. Our hospital statistics, it's been a constant. Even if there's a surge and more number of cases, we are equipped to deal with it.
As dengue cases in the state of Karnataka have breached the 10,000 mark and is now at an alarming state, the Karnataka government has directed all hospitals to reserve separate beds now for the treatment of dengue patients. We bring you this ground report from the Bowring Hospital in Bengaluru, reporting from the dengue ward itself, of where separate beds now have been reserved for the treatment of patients. Remember, of course, we've been seeing how dengue has been spreading across the state of Karnataka very quickly, and in a span of just weeks now, it's breached the 10,000 mark. Well, why this is also crucial now is that these beds that you see would essentially be now set aside only for the treatment of critical patients. Essentially, possibly when the platelets have dropped to a worrisome count, or otherwise when the symptoms are extremely severe. In these wards that you see that are now set aside for the treatment, specifically for dengue, all arrangements, of course, have been made over here. And even as, of course, the government says that we are ready to tackle the case count, even if it goes higher, we're only hoping that enough mitigation measures over here are done. Remember, of course, as far as all of the other arrangements in terms of the medicines required for the treatment of dengue and other important, of course, medical aid as well over here, it's all been readied right now.